element is very dependable, it's very trustworthy, it's fierce, it's loyal, and it can also be a little bit stubborn. Earth is always very nurturing. So for this year, because fire was the element of cash flow, so if you're wanting to increase your cash flow, your fire, working capital, and the ability to make money, you actually want to wear red this year, okay? So red lipstick, red nails, red dress, carry a red purse or a handbag. Okay, if you're a man, red jocks, red socks, whatever works really. But red is the element of cash flow, where earth is in a position of power, authority, it's a lot more stable. So if you actually want to be noticed and you want to be taken seriously, you want to wear orange this year. So orange is the colour of earth. As I said, earth people function is to protect. They're very nurturing and they're very caring.